So this is Peugeot 508 Android device. When I turn the ignition on, the Android device boots up from zero, and just be patient, it will start in a couple of minutes. Now it's 4:51 p.m. or 16:51, and let's see what does navigation think the time it is. Yeah, it's 12:55 and the date is 10:07, but it's not. It will synchronize in a couple of seconds, I believe, from Wi-Fi or satellite navigation, I don't know. Now the time has synchronized and date has synchronized, even though maybe 10 minutes ago the car was running and it was synchronized and it was okay, but after 10 minutes it forgets everything. But let's say radio, it has remembered all the stations from the radio, so he just forgets something, not everything. And if we turn it off, now we just wait a couple of seconds, it will say shutting down and it will shut down. So as you can see, now it's completely shut down, the key is off, and if I plug it on in a I don't know, maybe 1 minute, it will boot up immediately and everything is okay. But if I wait more than a couple of minutes, it forgets everything that has been done and set it up, including clock, date, and maybe even a selection of the radio station. Sometimes it stays on the P6 memory, but even though I have left it on the, let's say, P1, if that tells you anything. When I click on settings, car, extra settings, you will see the option shutdown delay when ACC off is on auto sleep. I've googled this problem and some people said that it should be on auto sleep. It was on 30 seconds and it was the same as it's on auto sleep. I don't see any difference when it's on 30 seconds on or it's on auto sleep. So if you could help me find how can I speed things up, so every time when I turn the car off and leave it off for over the night, maybe a couple of days, doesn't matter, when I click to power it on, I want this to happen and not to wait for a minute or two to system boots up. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.